Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I know it's been a little bit of a minute since I posted a recipe video, but I got one for you today. So today I'm just showcasing a meatball recipe, and I got the recipe from these garlic bread sliders that are the most amazing, and I'll actually probably do a video making those sliders, but I just took the recipe for the meatballs to make my meatball dish, and then I put in the instructions for the sauce that I actually made, and I did it to my best ability. I hope you guys can follow and like just get it right, but yeah, I did try, and yeah, it's a really amazing recipe. It's delicious, and if you actually try the whole entire recipe, because the link I will share is the link to the whole garlic sliders link, but if you do try it, definitely let me know. I'll probably do a video of that later. But yeah, I hope you enjoy. Definitely pop a comment down below if you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up, and definitely don't forget to